There is a quote from a Zen master named Shunrei Suzuki that scientists and athletes still repeat 50 years later. In the beginner's mind, there are many possibilities. In the expert's mind, there are few. Not because experts know less, because they've stopped looking. You know that feeling. You've read the same page 4 times and none of it is sinking in. Or you've done the same lift for months straight and the weight hasn't moved an inch. That's not a knowledge problem. That's your brain treating "I already know this" as a reason to stop paying attention. You don't need more information. You need to break a habit called expertise. Japanese martial arts figured this out centuries ago. It's called Shoshin, the beginner's mind. Here's exactly how it works. Step 1. Empty your cup. There is an old Zen story. A university professor visits a Zen master to learn about Zen, but spends the whole visit talking about his own ideas instead of listening. The master starts pouring him tea. He pours until the cup is full, then keeps pouring. Tea spills everywhere. The professor finally says, "Stop, it's overflowing." The master replies, "Like this cup, you are full of your own opinions. How can I show you Zen unless you first empty your cup?" A full cup can't receive anything new. Neither can a full mind. The moment you decide you already understand something, you stop checking for what you've missed. Quick action today. Pick the one thing you're most confident you already know and go back to it like a beginner. If you're studying, don't skim the paragraph you think you've already mastered. Read it slow, like it's new. If it's a task at work, watch yourself do the boring, automatic parts once, on purpose, instead of running it on autopilot. The second you think "I already know this" is exactly the moment to look closer. Step 2. Plateaus feel like a wall, but they're not. They're a feedback problem. Once a skill feels automatic, your brain stops monitoring it closely, so small mistakes creep in and compound, and you don't notice because you've already stopped watching. The fix is to push harder. It's to go backwards on purpose and rebuild the parts you stopped checking. Quick action. If it's the gym, drop the weight for 1 session and rebuild your form from scratch, rep by rep. If it's a relationship, stop finishing the sentence in your head before the other person's done talking. Actually listen for how it ends. A stall isn't a wall, it's your attention that checked out. Step 3. Teach it like you're new. Recognition feels like understanding, but it isn't the same thing. You can recognize a concept the second you see it and still not be able to explain it. The real test of whether you understand something is whether you can teach it simply. Quick action. Take whatever you learned or working on right now and explain it out loud in 1 sentence a 12-year-old could follow. No borrowed jargon, no terms you don't fully own. Wherever that sentence gets shaky, that's not a small gap. That's exactly where you go back to step 1 and empty your cup again. You don't need to start over. You need to stop assuming. You already know the ending. Empty your cup on one thing today, just one. If you're ready to actually get better instead of just repeating yourself, comment Shoshin below. But knowing the fix isn't the hard part. The hard part is doing it where your brain is already exhausted before you even start. That's the next video. How to build the system for days you get nothing left to give. See you there.